Did you know that a single spoonful of chia seeds, if eaten the wrong way, could actually be dangerous, especially for older adults? Shocking, right? We always hear chia seeds are a superfood packed with omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants. But most people have no idea there's a right way and a wrong way to eat them. And for seniors, eating them the wrong way could lead to choking hazards, digestive issues, or even unexpected medication interactions. So before you grab that next chia pudding or smoothie, you need to hear this.
Welcome to Golden Health Now, your trusted source for simple, science-backed health tips that actually work. No gimmicks, no hype, just real facts you can use to protect your health. Today, we're uncovering a big mistake people make with chia seeds, one that can turn this tiny nutrient powerhouse into a hidden risk. If you're over 50, this is especially important because your body processes food differently than it did at 20. In this video, you'll learn the most common mistake people make when eating chia seeds, why this mistake is far riskier for older adults, the safe, doctor-approved way to eat chia seeds, how to unlock chia's full health benefits without any of the risks. Stick around to the end because I'll also share a simple chia checklist that will make adding them to your diet foolproof. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty. Let's start with why everyone loves chia seeds. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide 5 grams of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, great for brain and joint health. 10 grams of dietary fiber, almost half your daily needs, which supports digestion and blood sugar control. 4 grams of complete plant protein, which helps maintain muscle, crucial as we age. Calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, minerals that strengthen bones. Antioxidants, compounds that slow down cell damage and aging. They sound perfect, right? And they are, if you eat them properly. Here's where many people go wrong. The dangerous mistake, eating chia seeds dry. Chia seeds can absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid. When they contact water, they swell into a gel-like form. That's good inside a smoothie or pudding, but dangerous inside your throat. If you eat them dry and then drink water, they can expand inside your esophagus, potentially causing choking or blockage. In 2014, a medical case reported in Annals of Emergency Medicine described a man who ended up in the ER because dried chia seeds expanded and got stuck in his throat. This risk is higher for seniors. Because swallowing reflexes can weaken with age, dry mouth from medications can make swallowing harder. Esophageal narrowing is more common over 60. So never, ever eat chia seeds by the spoonful and wash them down with water. That's a recipe for trouble.
Other hidden risks for seniors. Chia seeds are generally safe, but there are 3 more dangers seniors should be aware of. Medication interactions. Chia's omega-3 fats can mildly thin the blood. If you take blood thinners like warfarin or even high-dose aspirin, chia could enhance that effect. Always check with your doctor if you're on these medications. Blood pressure drops. Chia may slightly lower blood pressure. For people already on antihypertensive medication, this can sometimes cause lightheadedness or dizziness. Digestive discomfort. The high fiber content can cause bloating, cramping, or constipation if you suddenly eat too much, especially if you're not drinking enough water. How to eat chia seeds safely. Now for the good news. Chia seeds are perfectly safe when prepared correctly. Here's how to do it. Always soak them first. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into at least half a cup of liquid. Let them sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes, or even overnight in the fridge, until they form a gel. Add to soft foods. Stir soaked chia into yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal. Make chia pudding with almond or oat milk, and top with fruit. Drink plenty of water. Because chia soaks up fluid, you need to stay hydrated to avoid digestive discomfort. Start small. Begin with just 1 tablespoon per day if you're not used to high fiber.
gradually increase as your body adjusts.
The positive health effects you'll notice. When eaten properly, chia seeds can be transformative, especially for older adults. Better digestion. The soluble fiber keeps your gut regular. Stable blood sugar. Slower carb absorption prevents spikes and crashes. More energy and focus. Omega-3 fats nourish your brain. Stronger bones. The calcium and magnesium fight osteoporosis. Lower inflammation. Great for joints and heart health. It's amazing what 2 tablespoons a day can do, as long as you prepare them safely. Quick chia safety checklist. Before you eat your next chia snack, ask yourself, are they soaked or mixed into a soft food? Am I starting with a small amount? Am I staying hydrated throughout the day? Do I need to check with my doctor about medications or blood pressure? If you can say yes to all 4, you're good to go. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Golden Health Now for more simple, science-backed health tips. Share this with a parent, grandparent, or friend because you never know who might be eating chia seeds the wrong way. So, will you start soaking your chia seeds from now on? Or have you already tried this and noticed the difference? Let me know in the comments. Your experience could help someone else stay safe and healthy.